This is the practice test for percents, and we are working here on problem number 7. And the problem says write the percent as a fraction in lowest terms. And so the percent that we're given is 8%. Now a percent is always parts out of 100, or we could think of the percent sign as always reminding us to divide by 100. So we take the 8, put it over 100, and you could enter this into your calculator using the fraction key, and you hit the equal sign and it's automatically going to reduce it for you down to 2 over 25, which is the fraction in lowest terms. I've done it here by hand. I've broken down the 8 into a 4 times 2 and the 100 into a 4 times a 25, and then the 4's cancel on top and bottom, leaving me with the lowest fraction in lowest terms, which is 2 over 25, which is your answer.